AMIX stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Autonomix Medical stock, I pronounced that just right, 20% up. Now, just observing this, I'm not really like sold out on that buy and whatnot, but like the reality behind this is that it's not really a buy. I know it went up 20%, but it's still a bearish chart, like I said before. Yes, I was waiting, but that was just my bias, and it did deliver. You can check my previous video on that by searching the videos tab and just with the search tool. But right now, in general, if I see a double break, this is still a market that I'm also willing to short. So really nothing much to it. In the meantime, all I'll keep doing is I'll just keep waiting. So, oh my bad. So that's about how AMIX looks like, AMIX in other words. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.